Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gazelle Anime Vanguard. First, it's crucial to clearly identify the exact card you are looking for. Card names can be similar, so confirm the full name, set number, and any specific artwork or rarity. Knowing these details will save you time and ensure you acquire the correct version of the card you desire. This initial step is fundamental for a successful search. Next, research the card's current market value. Websites specializing in trading card singles often provide price guides and recent sales data. Compare prices from at least 3 different reputable sellers to get a good average. Be aware that prices can vary based on condition, rarity, and demand. This research helps you set a realistic budget and avoid overpaying for your desired card. Now decide where to make your purchase. Online retailers offer convenience and a wide selection, often with competitive prices. Local game stores provide an opportunity to inspect the card in person and support your community. Always choose sellers with excellent reputations and clear return policies. Confirm the card's condition, such as near mint or lightly played, before completing your transaction. Finally, once your card arrives, carefully inspect it to ensure it matches your order and is authentic. Check for any discrepancies in condition or artwork. If you purchased online, track your shipment closely. After verification, immediately place your new Gazelle Anime Vanguard card into a protective sleeve and top loader. Proper storage helps preserve its value and condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.